How to fix error code PL-3016 on Disney Plus. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix error code PL-3016 on Disney Plus. So let's dive in. If you've seen this code pop up on your screen, don't worry. It's most often linked to a problem with your Wi-Fi connection, and the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. I should mention upfront that Disney Plus isn't currently accessible in my region, so I won't be able to demonstrate directly on the app. However, I can still walk you through the steps you'll need to follow to resolve the problem. Let's begin by navigating to your device's settings menu. From there, go into the network or Wi-Fi section. Make sure that your device is connected to the correct network. Sometimes devices automatically switch to weaker signals or public hotspots. A solid and reliable connection is key here. To double check your internet performance, I recommend using a trustworthy site like speedtest.net, which is powered by Ookla. Just open it in your browser and tap the big Go button. After a few moments, it will show you your download and upload speeds along with ping. If your internet speed looks decent and consistent, then it's unlikely the PL3016 error will persist. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.